We'll guide you through how to use Paint.net on a Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and search for Paint.net for Mac alternative. Paint.net itself is not natively available for Mac, but you can use a similar app called Pinta, which offers a similar experience. Download and install Pinta from the official website by clicking on the download button for the Mac version. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file and drag the Pinta app to your Applications folder. Now, open the Pinta app from your Applications folder. You'll notice the interface is quite similar to Paint.net, with familiar tools like the paintbrush, shapes, and selection tools on the left. To start a new project, go to the File menu at the top and select New. Set your desired dimensions and click OK. You can then use the tools on the left to draw, paint, and edit your image. To add layers, which is a powerful feature for more complex edits, go to the Layers menu and choose Add New Layer. This lets you work on separate elements without affecting the whole image. When you're ready to save your work, go back to the File menu and select Save As. Choose your file format, like PNG or JPEG, and click Save. Remember to check the options if you want to adjust the quality or other settings. By using Pinta, you can enjoy many of the features you love from Paint.net right on your Mac. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.